gonna be late. Let's go.
A rim useless.
I'll
No,
do
six.
I'll go first.
What?
I do have a cane, so I'll undo your high roll and point it to the floor, right?
Good luck, homie.
How many dice? We'll see if we can coin tosses right.
Main phase.
Yes.
Will normal summon Purrely and activator effect?
Schmore.
Oh no. The choices are endless. Anything on res?
No.
Activate? I'll do the effect to reveal 3.
That's good. Yeah.
On res? Nothing?
No. Schmore.
Discard the summon. And then effect.
Schmore.
Grab. Effect to target. Activate.
Okay.
Target.
Okay.
Then chain.
Okay.
Discard to summon.
Okay, she takes this half, I cannot draw cards by card.
And then that will absorb, and then I set the trap. And then I'll go Purrely's effect.
That's definitely a hit.
Blaze Accelerator by sending the Blaze Accelerator from my deck
Schmore.
to grave.
Target.
Schmore.
Then chain.
Schmore. Setting another trap?
No.
Control one green.
I'll go to end phase. I'll activate the street.
And also turn attack face on Z control. So one level 1 card from my deck to graveyard if I do destroy it. Target, face up.
Apparently I didn't want that card.
Then we're going to activate barrier.
Cut. And that goes under there. And the turn will become yours.
Use Volcano Blaze Accelerator.
Yep.
Yeah. You go around there, and there's a door back there, and then there's another door back here, so
Stand high.
Effect to draw a card.
Yeah.
And then again.
Yeah. And then bust up, draw 2.
And then effect.
Yeah.
And effect. Cool.
How many mats did it got? 6.
Yep.
And it's unaffected when it has 5.
Yep. And it can't be targeted this turn because of summon this turn.
Sure. I will normal Leela. And I will go Leela effect because I control no other monsters that special summon a Kissy Girl from hand or deck.
Quick effect when your opponent has
Sure.
counter effect. If someone's special
Yep.
I'm going to use Dragoon Renegade.
I will change of heart target SP.
That's a card. I'll go SB effect.
Targeting.
Herself and Lila.
I'll drop it, send the change of card for cost.
It's a negate.
It negates unres. One card because I sent one card and you can't respond with spells.
Targets, doesn't it?
It doesn't target.
Alright, so you're going to try and negate the Noir. But it's not affected, so it doesn't matter. Sure.
Yeah, negate a speed.
Sure. It's on resolution, so this still gets banished.
It doesn't get banished.
Oh,
It's on res of this card.
Right.
Yeah.
Sorry, I didn't
So then I
understand.
still yoink.
Your turn.
Right. Thinking here.
Yeah.
Consultants, Holland.
3 cards in hand.
Ah.
Yeah, go ahead.
I will slumber to summon.
Yep.
Wagon. Wagon effect. Discard pink.
Just search the deck.
To grab mountain.
That's fine. 1 card left in hand.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, switch over to the cards.
You activate the effect of summon, activate of tank blade, and so only once you control. She's sending.
I will use it back to him.
Okay, green fire. And that gets this one. And I have room fire as well if it's kind of sent to the graveyard. I can recommend effects. So if just come from the graveyard, you have to send what maintenance. From a deck to the graveyard.
I'm a link.
So I played
Everything.
player, so I'm taking one.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 1. Doesn't have to be 4. Hang on.
From the monsters are into the graveyard.
4 plus effect monsters.
SP counts as 2.
No, that's a link rating of 2, but it has to be 4 plus monsters.
Yeah.
One noble monster from
1,
the
2,
graveyard.
3.
Can I retweet him if I get him back on the
Right, sure.
Yeah, but he needs to be back on the field.
Chain link 1, chain link 2.
Sure.
Chain 2 resolving. Giving me this.
Yeah.
That'll be
Special
all.
summon this.
Back to hand. And then we'll summon
Effective Emperor.
Purrely. And then Purrely effect.
Display and
Yeah.
502 package bank pyro.
Grab.
I will activate.
Proceed.
Then I can
Yeah,
set
I'll
I will activate
each
counter.
change sends one save and take 500.
I will go battle. Kill the.
Sure.
Good turn. Ah, I can't go battle. Well, I activated
Yeah, I don't know what
already.
you're doing.
I'll go battle, skip battle.
Yes, you can confirm it's a
Played too many non-runic Spright for the last few weeks.
Stand by main. Yugioh.
Sorry. Forgot.
This does nothing and it can't be destroyed by battle.
It links some cards unaffected by your activated effects unless they target this card.
Got it.
Okay.
We'll go, my friend. Pay 500.
Sure. And then if you try to summon from grave, I can negate it. It's a
Yep.
once per turn.
Feel 3 pretty?
Huh.
Take it pretty.
What?
Either the fire channel requires 2 monsters to clean the fire monster.
1 card in hand. Tis a mystery.
Yeah, so you can Gary. I'll choose this side.
16 of destruction.
Purrely's effect, using a card in hand as material to rank up.
Sure.
Wait, oh,
Make some only 3 princess style effect. Now special say set 5 monsters. My main during my main phase push some funds from the graveyard and also push some to
pretty remember, both gain 1,000 life points.
and type monster you control.
I'll chain plump.
Sure.
Also I control monsters.
So I'll choose not to activate its other effect.
Activated effect.
We'll go plump effect with the pretty underneath, sending this from field to grave to target and absorb.
Yeah.
I'll use activate.
What the heck?
We'll go sleepy.
Yeah.
Chain plum.
Yeah.
Resolve.
So that's 2 absorbed. Absorbed by different effect. I've got 1 more.
Take 500.
Go happy memory. Targeting.
Sure.
Then I'll chain plum.
Sure.
You have this effect negated.
1 card still in hand.
Yeah.
Any new
Good plump effect. Target 2 spells or traps near the grave. I'll target the runic spell and the I'll target something over here. I'll target. So I'll target the runic spell and the sleepy memory. That's fine.
4,000 because it's effect.
This one has counters on it, cost number of spells, but only needs that.
Cards in hand is 1. It's got 1 delicious under it.
Into battle. And verbal attack.
I think we'll just go battle phase.
Sure.
Swing with plump. So it'll be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 23. Have fun. Main 2. Like this.
Then I do it still since you were somebody.
Set 2. End phase, all straight. Do I have target? I do. And the turn will become yours.
So Superior is out of my hand. Then I activate your effect.
We will go.
So I hit 18 to set up here.
No white to big.
That's in original spell.
But I'm still going first.
I don't believe you.
God damn it. I almost did it. In draw phase. When I tip to search.
Yep. Oh,
Cool, bye.
sure.
Yeah.
And you mill 1.
Banish 1.
Yeah. What the heck? Deja vu. Like I've been here before.
No way.
Stand by mine.
Yep.
I'm gonna counter.
Yep.
I'm going to storm to summon.
Yep.
I'm going to go Hugin 1, pitching destruction to grab fountain. Fountain 3, target all 3.
Wait, Hugo 1, Fountain 3.
Hugin 1, fountain 2, target 3.
Next game.
I did not draw fountain.
And 1 to 6.
You've played around it more than enough. You're fine.
Yeah.
Still may as well drop it.
Show me hand.
Alright.
Oh. That's mortifying.
Yep.
I will rip the happy.
Back to deck.
Yeah. I will special character. That's it.
You can pass?
Yeah.
Yep.
And you activate it in a draw.
Yes, I'm gonna go happy, target the carrot, protect it from card effects till the end of the next turn.
I will probably have 2 carrot negate.
Sure.
Yeah.
And you searched the field spell off the Huggin, right? Yeah, I'm gonna pass.
Before you end, I'm gonna go tip search.
Yeah.
So, the target of fire marshal will talk up. The target.
Then I will, still on your turn, slumber target my character. And that's banish 3. And then I'll try to fountain for 2.
Yeah. You know the contents of my hand.
Yeah. Still passing. I will stand by me.
Yep.
How do I not get myself nibbed? What if getting nibbed is fine? It's not. I will normal a twin. I will the lashing to summon.
How many? Oh,
It's
summon.
Yep. Gary, engage.
I'm gonna fountain for 1.
Yep.
Yeah. And then engage.
I'm going to overlay
Yep.
for gigantic. I'm going to gigantic.
Locking into level 2, so I can't nib after this, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you can't battle either, so it's fine.
Blue effects.
Yep. You've got the spell and trap negate. I think we're just gonna skip to go to game 3.
Sure. Can blame card variants on a robot shuffle.
Exactly. I'll go first.
What?
Good luck, home slice.
Good luck.
Draw phase, slip.
Yes.
Discard. Summon. And I'll get you to cut, and then I'll trigger Purrely. Do you have a response to the Purrely?
No.
Emission.
The only target. Okay. I'll go standby phase.
Yeah.
Main phase.
Yeah.
Normal?
Yeah.
Level 1
Yeah.
fire from a determined.
Yeah. On res anything?
No.
Yeah. We'll go Lily, target the sleepy in the bin.
Schmore.
Send you shell. Strike. That's fine.
Activate.
Effect of
Yeah.
assault.
Take 500.
It's a quick effect.
We'll go happy memory, target the my friend. And then chain noir.
You.
And then discard the summon.
500 for the
You.
shell.
Summon. I'll just grab the trap while I'm in here. Where the hell is it? There. And I'll get you to cut. So trap will get set. That'll get absorbed. And then this will trigger. That's fine?
Yeah.
Volcanic Blaze Accelerator. 2 special summons.
I'll take the only target.
That's fair enough.
I'll activate my friend. Reveal 3.
Yeah.
Guess what I'm going to reveal?
That's fine.
3 field spells potentially. What? Why is this a rare? Where is it super printed? What is this?
I wish I had super printing.
Take 500.
Activate. More activate. Then I'll chain.
Sure.
That's fine.
What are you going to try
Go for a shell.
Deja vu. What? Activate. And then we go end phase. Straight.
Yeah.
Normal summon shell.
And the turn will be
Summon.
Okay.
I will draw.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's key.
Stand by, you can, yeah,
Draw 2.
I
And then draw more.
yeah.
can tell the card on this field either graveyard and banish it.
And that goes to the bin. Then we draw 2 more. Cool.
Main phase.
Yes, sir.
Target your ray and banish it.
Activate Snitch.
Oh, you're only taking one
On activation, I can add a live twin from deck to hand.
Yeah, this was
Cards in hand is 5 still.
Yeah.
And that adds a live twin from deck to hand.
Emperor
That's
attack,
fine.
Kagari.
Right. The Frosty.
And that's on 1,000.
I will normal Leela and attempt to use effect.
To special summon.
Yeah, Kisukyo from hand or deck.
You just go strike at 8.
You attack the token, take 500.
It's fine.
So if you summon, I will destroy this guy.
Main 2, set. 2,
That costs me something over like
Yep.
How many spells do I have, right?
10 concludes.
Anything here.
So we have 3 of those spells. and you destroy.
Yeah, we're going to. Because right now you have access, now that I know that it counts this, you can just go straight into the thing. So I'm going to have to do something here.
To target load, choose which summon to the field.
So that gets banished. To target.
That's fine.
Sure.
Yeah, summon the second one.
Bottom or top?
It goes to the bottom of the deck.
Ah. What's it? I thought you could choose between bottom.
No, just the bottom of the deck.
Oh, it's on field or grave is the
Yeah,
choice.
yeah.
I know they're showing angels.
And that's
Because I control a Leela, I have a special summon Frost.
This attack.
resolution of that.
Oh, is it a special? Is it inherent or is it?
Activate one of its effects, if I can use one of them.
It's inherent.
Okay, so then we're going to be forced to do this again.
Add it to my hand or special
So
summon.
detach
Knowing something
these two
to
target the frost.
Inflict damage to your queen for turn monster ritual attack. Or attack monster by control that damage is I'll choose the first effect. Take rock monster from deck. Add it to hand or special summon.
Leave me no choice. I'll special summon Jet effect.
Emperor.
Searches the deck.
Spell trap, yeah.
Returns to my hand.
This one targeting this low to negate you.
Yes.
You got 2 Soul Guardians, they got 2 loads.
Effect.
Now use
Alright,
that.
he did.
Itself.
Target
And
He schooled me with
Jet.
Swords of Rebellion 1.
I didn't know, of course.
Yeah, and
But
Rebellion
you negated it.
Yeah, but you couldn't negate the swords.
Wait, how do they double that?
So when they're summoned, they double their own. But it has to be discarded.
I
Discarded.
went past it.
To double check. So if it's summoned like another card, they're only 2 deaths.
So as long as they're both on the field, they double.
I think, yeah.
Because they were summoned with these, they double.
Activate the effect.
Now what?
Target my 2 monsters.
And then, how much is that?
Tip to search.
Yeah, discard one.
The one's
Yeah.
like dragon. Wow.
Mission, Emperor, Anima, Shell.
So I'm taking 400. You're taking 1,900. And what is 4,124?
Effect monster.
What is 4,100 take
Yep.
2,400? What is that?
Yes, I have.
4,100 take 2,400.
And these are just when it leaves the field?
Yep.
Whenever it gets banished, man. It makes my life a little bit harder, I'll be real.
So he takes
I'm
1,700.
gonna start it to summon.
From the deck.
Yeah.
Then 15.
More.
Yeah.
I'm going to curses to summon.
Battle resolve.
Don't curse me. Don't curse me.
Okay, alright, your turn.
Is it an effect on summon?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, okay, so you get the effect.
I will do it. I'll pitch a smidge.
Yeah.
And resolution of that card, I like the Vage Blaze Accelerator reload.
Mount
To
it.
try Blaze on so I'm going to use Blaze main phase, I can send that back up from my integrate and it's quite fun. Scatter shot. Scatter shot effect.
Right. Misa has realized Misa is not in good position. Misa is in potential. Oh yeah.
Scatter shots to burn for 1-5
Actually, do not like them.
Sorry, that's where again.
I'm going to pass.
Okay, so in the end phase, Streets effect.
Sure.
You can only target ritual multi-throw attacks when I have these on the field.
And then we'll just go back.
No, it's just that's two one of these
So
two.
then my turn?
Yeah.
Stand by when?
Yeah. When does this leave because of the trap?
End phase this turn.
The thing is, I can activate cards of resolution.
Yes.
Go into once I put them on stone field.
Unless I turn it into something.
Swing for this hand.
So you can. Does Jet have like a. No, it's only Carrot and Red that have the effect.
Carrot and red of the hand.
Yeah, so you got two in hand. I know one is Fountain. Cool. Cool.
Yes, thank you.
One Purrely there.
8 draws away.
I must still have a Lily in there.
That's why I put the token there, in the centre. Everyone tends to go to centre, so I'm forcing them to play different zones.
And then,
Yeah.
here, that.
Both gain 1,000 life points. Sure. Discard the summon.
Yeah.
I wasn't gonna get it out of the graveyard. I was
But
gonna
I
get
banished
it
it with SP in the end, but I didn't know how to do that. So
And then I'll use the effect. Sure. Yeah, sorry, thank you.
same as first.
Yeah, I both get 1,000, so you're on 9 on 185.
Right.
Joey versus
Let's stick it.
Effect target.
You chose second.
He was playing twos. So we call it Jaden versus Kyra. And the Jaden versus Vegas. We get that's directly like pendulum.
I'll go Beauty Effect, sending straight from field to grave to target and absorb one of your cards.
Which one?
I'll take the Jet.
I'll play the Cane Blaze Accelerator.
This can be from a battle?
Yeah, when is it like, I think it has to go to the grave to actually shuffle back. There's something else to be destroyed it can banish to protect. And then shuffle back. And this card is, if destroyed by battle card effect, it goes to extra.
I'll take the wings.
Sure.
That's fine.
I'm just going to banish the Blaze. No effect. Because I don't have any banished. And
Pay the 500.
Yeah.
take includes.
That was that hand. But
Reveal.
there was one card.
Stand by Dimension Shifter because I have no cards in my grave. Any cards.
Happy.
If I have no cards in my grave, quick fix, send this card in my grave. To the end of the next turn, your cards in your grave are banished.
Wow, I passed her.
This one? Yep.
Yeah.
Where's this?
Includes me too in my next turn.
I'm gonna go Happy Memory, and I'll target my friend, and then I'll chain Beauty.
Yeah.
Beauty will change the battle position to Jet.
To face it.
Sure.
We'll proceed to battle phase. We'll declare with Noir into Jet.
Yeah.
At 369, so he's on 2k.
So you get halved as well by beauty.
No.
Fine.
So 2k over
takes 700.
13.7.
Go.
And he gets banished.
And that gets
So there's a
banished.
fixture.
And then Beauty Yeah, beauty into Lila. So you'll just take 11. No, 11. That's 16. 16. Yeah, 11. And finish. Yep. And then little light for 16. Yep. And then I'll. Oh, I forgot to take this. So 2 cards in hand, and then 1 is fountain, and we got this. Main 2.
Yeah.
Yep, and guess what? There's an open grave. The next turn.
First card.
There's a lot of problems.
I have a hungry burger.
I'm going to
Nice.
detach 2
Yep.
Why do you have
to target and put on the bottom of the deck.
Alright.
Is this once per turn you can activate it?
When it's activated, it adds.
Yep. Okay, so then we'll just target
I've gone
the fruit, that one, bottom of the deck.
That's illegal.
We'll activate field spell.
Sure.
There was one place where it lets you
And
have
Drones was at
more than 3 copies.
Pop a Zeus on. I'll go end phase, street, equipping, a sleepy memory to the beauty. The turn will become yours.
Stand by.
I'll get you to cut because I will attempt to draw 1. That's fine?
Roll
Wait,
1.
did I sign them all out? I did sign them all
Is it
out.
just 1 or is there a second sleep here?
Let's go check.
Just 1. Just the 1. Actually, like a nerd.
Yeah,
Sure.
I signed them out.
Expensive too. $200.
Did you buy it or call
Oh, you can't send that to grave. You can't.
Activate
That's touch the grave.
Can I please have it?
$200.
I need to
Oh, yeah, that's
go.
fine.
normal Lila effect.
I'll activate this.
Negate.
Yeah,
You go.
It's
Yeah, I cannot play into full power.